Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go storage. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go storage, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Monopoly Go and you will enter. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Monopoly Go. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.